Okay, so if you're using generative AI, you already know the potential is absolutely massive. But you've probably also noticed that getting those professional, monetizable results, it can feel like a total lottery. Well, in this explainer, we are going to break down a really powerful framework that's designed to change all of that. So does this look familiar? You have this brilliant idea, you feed it into an AI, and what you get back is, well, it's pretty underwhelming, right? It's generic, it's messy, maybe it's just completely wrong. It's a super common frustration, but here's the thing. It's not a problem with the AI itself. It's actually a problem with our instructions. This visual right here, this gets to the absolute core of the problem. On the left, you've got your amazing killer concept. And on the right, that's the AI's best guess at what you wanted. This huge gap is what we call the AI guessing game. And you know what? Today, we're going to learn how to stop playing it for good. So here it is. This is the big idea, the huge mindset shift you need to make. We have to stop thinking of our requests as just simple prompts. Instead, let's start thinking of them as formal contracts. A contract is specific, right? It has clear terms and it defines an exact deliverable. The moment you start treating your AI like a professional contractor, it starts acting like one. So what exactly is a prompt contract? Well, think of it as a structured, repeatable system that guarantees you get predictable, high-quality results every single time. And the goal here isn't just to get a better answer. It's to create client-ready, totally monetizable assets straight from the AI. Now, this contract is built on a 6-part framework called RTCROS. That's RTCROS. I want you to think of each letter as a totally non-negotiable clause in your agreement with the AI. If you can get these 6 clauses right, the guessing game is officially over. First up, we have R, and that's for role. From now on, you don't just ask for text, you tell the AI who it needs to be. Is it a senior content strategist? A top-tier business consultant? Maybe an expert English teacher? Assigning a role instantly sets the right voice and expertise level, and it makes the output feel like it came directly from a specialist. Next up is T for task. This is where you get super specific about the job. Write about AI is just a vague chat, but turn my idea into a monetizable content pack. Now that is a task with a very clear deliverable. The key here is to define the final product you want, not just the topic. Now let's talk about C for context. This one is absolutely critical for preventing those classic mistakes like, it's way too long, or the tone is just all wrong. Who is this for? What platform is it going on? Are there word limits? Giving this context shapes the output so it's perfectly suited for its purpose. The second R in our framework stands for reasoning rules. Think of this as your built-in quality assurance. You can actually ask the AI to list its assumptions before it even starts, or tell it to use a checklist to validate its own output. This forces a much higher degree of accuracy and completeness. O is for output, and honestly, this is where the magic really happens when it comes to monetization. Instead of getting that messy wall of text, you demand a specific structure. Things like a video script, 5 social media captions, 1 email, all of it perfectly formatted. That structure is what turns a simple idea into a sellable product. And finally, we have S for stop. Now, this clause is simple, but it is so powerful. It controls the length, it prevents the AI from rambling, and it keeps the result on brief. You can even use it to define what the AI should do if it gets stuck, like telling it to ask me 3 questions before proceeding instead of just guessing. So here it is, all in one place. Role, task, context, reasoning, output, and stop. RTCRS. This is your 6-part contract for getting exactly what you want from any generative AI every single time. All right, theory is great, but let's see some proof, right? We're going to look at the tangible, money-making difference this framework makes by comparing a normal, everyday prompt to a full RTCROS contract. Just look at this difference. It's incredible. On the left, you've got a simple prompt that will get you a simple generic blog post. But on the right, you have a full RTCROS contract. It specifies the role, the task, is a whole monetizable pack. It defines the context, the reasoning, a multi-part output, and stop rules. The level of control is just night and day. When you get right down to it, the RTCROS framework basically acts as a monetization engine. You start with just one idea, you write one detailed prompt contract, and what you get back is a multi-part, client-ready bundle that you can actually sell as a service. It's all about creating serious value at scale. All right, to wrap things up, let's get you equipped with the tools you need to start writing your own AI contracts, like right now. And here it is, your copy and paste starter template. Use this as the foundation for every single prompt you write from now on. Seriously, just fill in the brackets. This one change alone will dramatically improve the quality of your AI outputs. And what if you get a weak result? Well, don't start over. Just debug it. If the output is too generic, strengthen your context. If it's a total mess, improve your output format. Is it wrong? Strengthen your reasoning. Too long? Just tighten up your stop clause. Each letter gives you a specific lever you can pull to fix the problem. So that's the RTCROS framework. It's a huge shift from just asking to actually directing, from guessing to contracting. It puts you in complete control and turns your AI into a reliable partner for creating real, monetizable value. The only question left is, what's the first contract you're going to write?
Time to glow. Open up the door, step into the light. Algorithms humming in the day and night. This isn't just code, it's a new state of mind. If you don't learn the language, you'll get left behind. Don't be